Hello, everyone, and happy holiday season! Oh my gosh! It is Christmas, it is Yule, it is Hanukkah, it is the holiday season. There's probably other holidays I've forgotten about. But today I'm very excited to show you this beautiful winter tune. You will either find it in this book, which is my favorite Christmas fiddling book, 8 notes, which I will link below for you. I'll also link this below for you. And I think those are the two resources that we're going to be pulling from. We've got Wassail, Hark the Herald, Nearly, O Hanukkah, and In Dulce Jubilo. And these are going to be songs that we're playing as an ensemble. Every quarter we get together in person here in Media, right outside of Philadelphia. I'm 30 minutes from the international airport, so all of you that don't live locally, you can still easily get here. Every quarter we get together and play music. And we're also going to be playing these on our December studio recital. And now you will be able to stay in the loop as well. So print these out, put these in a little music folder, and at some point you might want to come out to a future ensemble class and you'll be all set, because we usually kind of keep the same music. We add new music, but we keep the old music too. So if you would like more info about that, please follow me on Patreon. It's patreon.com/violinviolamasterclass. Also, you can follow me on my website, violinviolamasterclass.com. Let's get started. I hope you enjoy this.
1, 2, 3.